At WORX Plus, pushing the boundaries isn't just a cute little catchphrase, it's the blood in our veins. The GrindWorx King Series doesn't ask for permission, it demands respect from concrete slabs, from operators, and anything foolish enough to get in its path. We've spent over a decade refining tools, training, and techniques for grinding and polishing pros. And now, we've brought it all together in one powerful package. The result? The undisputed heavyweight of the industry. 22 kilowatts of pure, unrelenting, grinding muscle. Permanent magnet technology delivers savage torque with 50% less weight, so we can put the power where it counts. Planetary drive? It's built like an armoured tank. Zero compromise, zero dust ingress. The whole package service ready in just seconds. Larger discs let you run higher output tooling combos that bite harder, cut faster, and refuse to stop until the floor taps out. 30-degree inclines are hardly a warm-up for the GK. High and low range speeds driven through the most over-engineered drive system in the game makes tracking a dead straight line or dodging obstacles with deadly precision a breeze. Control? Get used to no dropouts, autonomous U-turns, push-button precision, autopilot for when you've run out of coffee and patience. Your productivity, motor current, power quality, live in your hand, mirrored on the onboard display, and tracked in the cloud. Split chassis for lightning fast tool changes, adjustable head pressure, built-in USB and RC charging, GPS tracking, remote fault tracing from anywhere a signal can be found. Every feature is engineered to make you faster, smarter, untouchable. We've packed in so much tech, so much raw power, so much attitude. The only thing that can control it is the operator. This is the WORX Plus King Series. Power, precision, pure, unapologetic dominance. It's time to take the reins and push the boundaries of your grind, because the possibilities are endless with the GrindWorx King Series Grinders.